There are a lot of flanged couplings used in heat exchanger condenser systems. Finding vacuum or pressure leaks here is challenging because the leak rate is minimal, turbulence is captured and dissipated in the crevice of the flange, and the ultrasound sensor can't get close enough to hear the leak, especially in vacuum. Here is a tip for finding a suspected leak in this type of coupled pipe. Here is a typical flanged coupling configuration. First, verify that the system is indeed under negative or positive pressure. Using your ultrasound detector, scan for leaks. Then, wrap the flange with duct tape, making a good seal all around. If there is a leak, either pressure or vacuum will build inside the tape. Next, using a small, sharp point, make a hole in the duct tape, around 1/16 of an inch in diameter. Be careful not to make the diameter too large. What you are trying to do is transfer the leak turbulence from the middle of the flange to the other edge of the coupling. Now, scan the pinhole using the ultrasound detector. If you are close to the pinhole, use either the internal sensor or the flexible wand. If your ultrasound detector accepts multifunctional sensors, try measuring the flow across the orifice. The duct tape will create a perfect seal for the mass flow sensor, and the leak rate can be quantified in SCFM or SCCM.